Unlocking everyday English. Don't even go there. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unpacking a phrase you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. Don't even go there. It's a colorful expression, rich in meaning, and knowing how to use it can add a layer of nuance to your English communication. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively. At its core, "don't even go there" is a phrase used to warn someone against discussing a topic that is considered inappropriate, sensitive, or too controversial. It's a way of saying, "Stop, we should not talk about that subject because it could lead to discomfort, arguments, or it's simply none of our business." This phrase can be used in light-hearted situations, like joking among friends, or in serious discussions where someone might be venturing into territory that is personal, painful, or taboo. To understand how "don't even go there" is used in everyday English, let's look at some examples. 1. In a friendly banter among friends. 2. Person A, remember the time you tried to cook dinner for your date and... 3. Person B, ha, don't even go there. We agreed never to speak of that disaster again. 4. In a serious discussion. 5. Person A, I think your relationship issues are because... 6. Person B, let's not go there. It's a sensitive topic for me. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting its versatility as a tool for navigating social interactions. Using "don't even go there" requires sensitivity to the context and the people you are speaking with. Here are some tips. Use it with people you know well. This phrase is best used among friends or colleagues with whom you have a comfortable relationship, as it implies a level of familiarity. Gauge the mood. Ensure the conversation's tone and the relationship dynamics are appropriate for this phrase. It's more fitting in informal settings. Be mindful of cultural differences. What's considered a sensitive topic can vary greatly across cultures. Be cautious when using this phrase with people from different backgrounds. If you're looking for ways to express a similar sentiment without using this specific phrase, consider these alternatives. Let's not discuss that. That's a no-go area for me. I'd rather we steer clear of that topic. These alternatives can serve the same purpose but might fit better in different contexts or levels of formality. Understanding and using phrases like "don't even go there" can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and authentic. It allows you to navigate conversations with nuance and sensitivity, respecting boundaries while maintaining a sense of connection with your audience. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depth of the English language.